What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to take a look at reasons why you should consider buying the OnePlus 5G and also the reasons why you should not consider buying this phone, and instead of that you should go for another alternative. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom by hitting that subscribe button and that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So very first, let's talk about the reasons why you should consider buying the Oneplus NORD CE 5G. So first of all it's a 5G processor, so it's not gonna let you down when compared to the other MediaTek processors also, and it's a good processor overall. The phone should also is being powered by the Oxygen OS software based on Android 11, which is again a bonus for the users as the Oxygen OS is one of the smoothest skins for the Android. And moreover, the Android skin is not only limited or a toned down version of an Android Oxygen OS 11. Instead, it's a completely full-fledged Oxygen OS experience which you can get for under 25,000 rupees. Next one is the 90Hz refresh rate, and you can see a high refresh rate on this phone with a punch hole selfie camera on the top of that, and also the phone has an under display fingerprint scanner. Now the one thing which we are now going to talk about is the reasons why the phone is a decent glass option again. Now the storage of this phone is again a decent touch, starting at rupees 23,000 for the 6 Plus, 128 gigabytes of storage, but the cameras of the phones are not that great. It comes with a 64 megapixel Omni Vision camera without any OIS or the optical image stabilization support, as the Omni Vision is the brand which manufactures camera, and it's not some kind of another feature or which you can proudly say about. Also, the phone doesn't have a OnePlus signature alert slider, which has been seen on the OnePlus phone since the beginning of the OnePlus phones. The next one, if we talk about the 5G and how heavily the OnePlus promoting its cheapest 5G smartphone, but the fact is that the phone only have a one 5G band. It's the N78 5G, and you 5G band with this phone, so it's only limited to one 5G, and India right now there is no confirmation of which 5G bands will get an allotment for the data. And also the phone doesn't have a UFS 3.0 storage, instead it's UFS 2.2, which is again on the slower side when compared to the UFS 3. Now on the fast charge, the phone comes with a warp charge 30T, and it can charge your phone up to 70% in just 30 minutes. On the design aspect, the phone looks decent, but it's a rebranded Oppo phone and it's the Oppo Reno 5 series phone. Other than that, the phone comes with a decent colors of 3 colors option, which is the greenish blue and one of the black colors and the silvering white color, which is the decent one. But the base variant is only available in black color, which is the charcoal black, and the phone at rupees 23,000 even looks overpriced when compared to the Samsung Galaxy M42. Now the M42 even doesn't have a full HD plus display or a 90Hz, but again that phone is also 3,000 rupees cheaper than the OnePlus NORD CE, so that phone is also one you can look out if you are not someone into the display. The phone built is a plastic build overall, but the build is sturdy enough so you can not just take it as a cheap phone, but it is a decent phone overall. So what do you think about you should consider buying the OnePlus NORD CE, or are there too many compromises with this phone? So are you going to buy the OnePlus NORD CE or you are going to skip it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.